Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. Super excited about this latest purchase. Just unloaded it out of the trailer. This is a 1967 Shelby GT500 4-speed. This was found in a barn in Alabama. You can still see all the dust on it. Originally, this was a white car, as you can see up front, and now it fades back to pink, giving it quite the look. This is a 4-speed car. This is an inboard car. This is number 1223. It's got a little bit of day 2 mods done to it. You can see the SS Kragers. You can see the 6970 sport mirrors. All original glass on this car. All original body on this car. Original fiberglass up front. Still has the original GE headlights in it. You can see the inboard setup here. GE headlights. We've got the motor out of it now, as that's how it was found. But as you can see, this car is super solid. See the original interior here, original seats, so is original carpet. This does have the original transmission with it, with the VIN number on it. However, they did change the shifter setup. Original steering wheel, shows 57,000 miles. Original rear seats yet. Super solid car. Here you can see it fading back to pink again. In the rear, 100% pink. Extremely lucky to find this one. Excited to get our hands on it. 1967 Shelby GT500 4-speed.